I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a bank account to your Klarna for loans is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon or the settings gear to access your account settings. This is where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings, find and select the option labeled payment methods. This will show you your current payment options and allow you to add a new bank account. Step 4. Enter bank account details. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Double check for any typos to avoid issues later. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your details, review them for accuracy and hit the save button. You may receive a confirmation email or notification once your bank account is successfully linked. If you accidentally enter the wrong routing number, it can lead to delays in processing your loans, so double check your entries. I hope this helps you get your bank account linked to Klarna smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.